Hello friends, namaste, welcome to my channel. Let's make it lovely. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. Today I'm going to share quick and easy last minute decoration idea for Diwali. You can use this idea to decorate your walls or door torans or even use as a puja backdrop. Now let's get started. I'm using two yellow artificial marigold garlands and two white flower garlands, and these gold color stone bangles I have. You can use any lightweight bangles that are little wide like these. And I'm going to use this gold color thread for attaching bangles to the garlands. First, using little tape, I'm just sticking the green hanging part at the end of the garland back onto the garland so they won't look odd in the decoration. Try to stick tape on green stem part and not flower itself so you don't ruin the flowers when you take off the tape later. Next, using gold thread, knot a bangle in the center so that it won't move easily. Next, to attach this bangle to the garland, I wrapped the thread around the stem part, making sure the bangle is still hanging below the last flower. Then I knotted the thread couple of times so it stays in place. Using the same method, attach bangles to all garland ends. I had two of these big bangles, so I used these on either ends of my decoration. Next, I took these small gold bells and fixed them to the bangles using same gold thread. If you don't have bells, you can also hang a different color flower instead. I'm sure it'll look pretty. Finish adding bells or flowers to all the bangles. Next, I covered the electric candles with gold glitter ribbon using hot glue gun. Simply wrap the ribbon around to measure and then cut. Now glue it to the candle using hot glue or tape. To stick the candles inside bangles, take two pieces of double-sided foam tape and stick it on either side of candle like wings. Now remove the tape liner and place them in the middle of the bangle and press well. Make sure you use good quality tape so they don't come off easily. We are almost done. To fix these garlands to wall, I used heavy duty tape. My heavy duty tape is super strong, so I cut it into thin strips so that I can stick the tape just along the stem part and don't ruin my flowers. While sticking the garlands to wall, make sure you stick them all at the same height and at same distance from each other. Match the length with previously stuck garlands so they all look uniform. As I said before, you can use this idea to decorate your living room walls or door toran or use it as a puja backdrop. I stuck the extra part of last white garland back on the top. I added a green leaf toran on top to cover the tape. I also added these fairy string lights I had. Spread a shawl and add asan and diyas for your puja decoration. Light all the electric candles and natural diyas and enjoy your Diwali. Please check out my other Diwali decoration ideas and crafts. Links are in the description box below. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.